Good throw, man.
Double these things. Mess around and show you that top. You can get it. Okay.
You'll never. Hey, talk to him.
Steve told me it was.
All right, pull it. Pull it. That's a tough one there. Pull.
Uh-oh, no bird.
Good shot.
Can't give you any of that belly up shit. Hold on
One more, we're done.
Ready?
Yep. Pull it.
Come here, Howard. I'll break him out there at the woods.
Ready?
Cool.
Man, what a throw.
Yep.
Just about. A little over.
Ready for another?
Yeah. Them things right there is.
I told you.
I can't. I keep shooting over the top of them as they're going up. I'm getting over them. Those high ones.
Want another? Flat.
Right when I shot it.
Man. Oh.
Yeah. I reckon y'all
Good shot.
Okay.
Good shot.
Okay. This will do good. I got softball cards in.
That's a good target.
Did you hit it?
No. Cool.
Hey, that's it.
Son of a.
We'll give you a couple more too.
Alright. I'll take you trouble. Cool. Got a piece off the top of that one. Right off the top right hand corner. Need a good set of eyes if we were playing for money. Pull.
Good shot.